And Chase, you may have answered question number 2 in question number 1. How does someone decide, that is in your seat, works with a law group? How do you decide whether or not to take someone's case? And if
Sure.
you do, what would be the next step?
Sure. So, like I said, our first bar is whether or not we're actually going to be able to add value in any way to the case for the client. We can add value in a number of ways. One, we could just handle the case for the client. The client is hurt, injured, annoyed, doesn't want to do it, doesn't want to be bothered, and we earn our fee by actually providing the service of making everything quick and easy. And in those circumstances, if the client wants us to do it, we'll do it. But in most cases, we're able to get the client significantly more in their pocket at the end of the day. And one of the things that we look for in cases is if there's clear liability. In other words, if we can determine very, very clearly that someone else is at fault, and that you have actual damages where it makes sense to hire a lawyer. What do you mean? What do I mean by making sense? Well, if your damages are $500 and it's going to cost you $300 to hire a lawyer, then it's not going to really make sense for you to do that. You might get less than $1,000 like the lawyer would get for you, but at the end of the day, you're going to be taking home less in your pocket. But we look for those opportunities in which to add value to claims and to help clients resolve complicated issues and make sure that we can make a difference in the future for them, their care, their lost wages, and in the basically the long-term view of their life, help them get medical care that they need, as well as get compensation for what they've already lost.